Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover Save and Save As tab, under File menu. Let's begin. I am going to click on File menu. If we click on Save tab, the presentation will get saved. If we click on Save As tab, we get different locations to save the presentation. We can save the presentation to cloud using OneDrive and SharePoint. We can save the presentation in PC. We can add a place, that is cloud locations like SharePoint and OneDrive. Also, we can save the presentation in local machine by clicking on Browse button. We can provide the name for presentation and save the presentation in different formats, like PowerPoint presentation, PowerPoint macro-enabled presentation, PowerPoint 97-2003 presentation, PDF, XPS document, PowerPoint template, PowerPoint macro-enabled template, PowerPoint 97-2003 template, Office theme, PowerPoint show, PowerPoint macro-enabled show, PowerPoint 97-2003 show, PowerPoint add-in, PowerPoint 97-2003 add-in, PowerPoint XML presentation, MPEG for video, Windows Media Video, GIF graphics interchange format, JPEG file interchange format, PNG portable network graphics format, TIFF image file format, device independent bitmap, Windows Media file, enhanced Windows Media file, outline or RTF, PowerPoint picture. Presentation, strict open XML presentation, open document presentation. We can add author and tags. Under Tools, we can map network drive. Save options, open Save tab under File menu, Options tab. Under General Options, we can provide password to open and password to modify. Under Privacy Options, we can choose to remove automatically created personal information from file on save. Macro Security button opens macro settings under File menu, Options tab, Trust Center tab and Trust Center settings. Under Compress Pictures, we can use compressions options, that is apply only to this picture, and delete cropped areas of pictures. We can set resolution, that is hide fidelity, HD 330 ppi, print 220 ppi, web 150 ppi, email 96 ppi or use default resolution. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Microsoft PowerPoint interview questions, from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.